Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your Netflix Kid profile to a normal profile, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. You may start by opening up the Netflix application for that, and from here, look out for your profile in the top right corner and select it. After your profile is selected, what you may do is basically from the section right here, go over and look out for the option called Manage Profiles and select it. Now that you selected, what you need to do is basically look out for the pen icon. So right now we have a normal account and a kids account. So head over to kids account and select the pen icon. After you select the pen icon, what you need to do next is basically look out for this option called maturity rating. So find the option. If you do not find that option, you can delete your profile and create a new one. But if you have this option, select the option of maturity rating and go over the account settings from here. After you go to account center settings, you need to go ahead and enter your password to edit the profile maturity rating. So just go ahead and do so and click on continue. And after it is completed, here it will show you your profile maturity rating for your test. So you need to scroll down from the given options and look out for this option called display Netflix Kids experience with titles just for kids. So once you find this option, you just need to uncheck it. And after you uncheck it, you can select the option of 18 plus at the top. And once you do so, all you gotta do is save up the changes by tapping on save. And when you head back to your profile, you'll be finding the kids profile changed back to a normal profile. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you want to go ahead and change your Netflix kid profile to a regular profile, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.